Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and this video is on the best auto darkening welding helmet. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing, and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Starting at number 5, MIGVAN Welding Helmet Auto Darkening. Most welders think all helmets offer similar protection, but poor visibility and slow response can risk your safety. I'm a certified welding instructor with 15 years experience. I've seen how unclear lenses cause mistakes and eye strain. Let's talk about the MIGVAN Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. It features a true color lens for precise natural vision. You'll see your weld pool clearly, no color distortion or glare. 4 arc sensors switch from light to dark in 1/1000 seconds. Instant protection from UV and IR rays every single time. Solar and rechargeable battery mean uninterrupted eco-friendly use. Wide shade range and sensitivity controls adapt to any process. The ergonomic headgear reduces neck strain during long sessions. Meets ANSI CE standards, built tough for industrial environments. I've used it for TIG, MIG, stick, and grinding. Flawless performance. Upgrade your safety and efficiency. Choose MIGVAN for your next job. Order yours today and weld with confidence. Number 4, Lincoln Electric No Rules, No Limits Welding Helmets. Stop letting limits hold you back when welding. Meet the Lincoln Electric No Rules, No Limits Welding Helmet. Imagine tackling any project, stick, TIG, MIG, even gouging. Auto darkening lens instantly adapts to your welding environment. Solar powered with battery backup for reliable protection. Adjustable ratchet headgear fits men and women comfortably. Lightweight design with oversized sweatband for all-day comfort. Includes 2 extra impact-resistant clear lenses for durability. Variable shade control, choose from shades 7 through 13. Dedicated grind mode for seamless workflow transitions. ANSI Z87.1, safety certified for trusted protection. Hard hat compatible, perfect for industrial environments. Wide viewing area, see more, weld better, stay safer. Professional welders and DIYers, upgrade your gear today. Experience no rules, no limits. Weld with confidence. Get yours now and transform your welding experience. Number 3, meet the YESWELDER Auto Darkening Welding Helmet Data-Driven Eye Protection. Blue light blocking tech blocks harmful rays, like sunglasses for your retinas. True color lens, 1111 clarity, see welds clearer than your morning coffee. Wide shade range 3.5, 9 to 13, covers TIG, MIG, stick, and grind modes. Fast auto darkening, 2 arc sensors react in 1/30,000 second. Blink and you'll miss it. Solar powered with replaceable battery, like a hybrid car but for your face. Viewing area 3.64 by 1.67 inches, big enough for eagle-eyed precision. Adjustable sensitivity and delay, because every welder likes their helmet just right. ANSI Z87.1 and CSA Z94.3 certified. Safety nerds rejoice. Pivot style headgear with oversized cushion. Comfort that hugs your noggin. Durable PP shell resists falls, flames, and Monday mornings. Magnifying lens compatible, perfect for those who weld and read the fine print. True color view reduces eye strain. Your peepers will thank you. Beginner friendly controls. No PhD required to operate. Long service life. Solar panel turns arc into energy. Eco Warrior approved. YESWELDER, because your eyes deserve VIP treatment on the job. Number 2, Eastwood Large View Auto Darkening. Ever struggled to see clearly while welding? Colors look dull, details get lost, and your eyes strain. I used to squint guessing where my weld was going, until I found the Eastwood L6700 welding helmet. True color technology changed everything for me. Now I see realistic colors and sharp details. It's lightweight, so my neck doesn't ache after long jobs. Impact-resistant nylon keeps me safe in tough environments. The headband adjusts easily for a snug, comfortable fit. Large viewing area means I never miss a spot. Auto darkening lens reacts instantly to protect my eyes. Switching shades is simple, perfect for any welding job. Certified for safety, works in any workshop conditions. Welding feels easier, safer, and way more comfortable. If you want better visibility and protection, try the L6700. Upgrade your welding experience. Grab yours today. Number 1, Welding Helmet Auto Darkening. Tired of welding helmets that limit your vision? Meet the Sondler Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. Imagine welding with a massive HD viewing screen. See everything with a 3.94 by 3.66 inch lens. Experience true color and 111 optical clarity. 4 advanced arc sensors react in just 1/25,000 second. Your eyes are always protected from harmful UV and IR. Switch effortlessly from light to dark, up to DN16. Easily adjust sensitivity and delay with external knobs. Perfect settings for TIG, MIGVAN, or arc welding. Lightweight design means less fatigue, more comfort. Adjustable headgear fits securely and breathes easily. Includes extra shields, storage bag, and batteries. Upgrade your welding, see more, work safer, feel better. The Sondler Welding Helmet, the ultimate welder's gift. Level up your gear, get yours today. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.